Ford F-350. Has the 7.3 Powerstroke diesel. A 5-speed stick shift. This truck only has 120,000 miles on it. It's a very clean 1-ton dually, 4-door long bed. There's no rust, no dents, no scratches of any kind anywhere. See, the truck has dual gas tanks, as well as the fender flares there are not faded whatsoever. You can see the tires, the tread left on there is really good, as well as the spare underneath there. Take a look at the interior. There's no big stains, no rips, no tears. Headliner is all good, not sagging down whatsoever. Everything's really clean. So we have power windows, power door lock, the fuel tank selector here on the dash, cruise control, very good, smooth 5-speed. See the original radio, as well as the heater and AC controls. Dash is not cracked or split or anything. Go ahead and start it up for you here. See the mileage there. I hop in now, take this truck, test drive. I can show you how good this truck drives after I get buckled up here. Pull the parking brake. Truck has a noticeably smooth clutch let out. It doesn't shudder or grab or anything. Truck has been fully serviced, front to back. Everything's been gone over and checked out. We're gonna head up the hill here so you can hear and listen how smooth this 5-speed shifts and runs through the gears. Very crisp feeling. There's no slop or anything in the shifter. You definitely know when you're in gear. It doesn't grind or hesitate or anything like that. 7.3 Powerstroke, just has tons of power. Really pull or tow anything you ever want to do with that. Absolutely great with the 5-speed behind it, and with only 120,000 on this Powerstroke, it's got a lifetime ahead of it yet. Really like the steering on the front end of this truck. There's no slop or play whatsoever. The truck doesn't drift or veer off or anything like that. Stays in its lane, drives straight, steering wheel is centered. Truck handles really well, takes these corners very nicely. You can hear the brakes as I slow down to go around this corner up here. Hear that they don't squeak, they don't cause any kind of pops or clunks or pull the truck or anything. Everything really works like it's supposed to. Tell by the way the truck drives that it's been taken care of. Really drives like you'd imagine a low mileage Powerstroke with only 120,000 miles on it would drive.